Micromotor madness. Scale down, drive big.
For today's video, we're taking the FMS Fcx24M Range Rover Camel Trophy back to the trail. Now, don't worry, this isn't an unboxing video. I'm just showing you real quick what comes in the box before the crawling starts. The unboxing part is sped up because the real goal here is the test drive on our Savannah course. After all the upgrades we did, performance parts, new motor, drivetrain, and lights, it's time to see how it actually performs. If you haven't seen the full build yet, you can check it out through the link above. We're back on the Savannah course for a true test. Stock versus modded. The same rig, the same rocks, two very different results. This time, you'll see something a bit special. On the left side of the screen, the stock version, exactly how it came out of the box. And on the right, the fully modded rig. Both runs tackle the same obstacles, at the same time, on the same course. So you can instantly spot how the mods change its performance. No edits, no tricks, just pure crawling action. You'll notice the difference in torque, ground clearance, and balance, especially over the rocks and climbs that gave the stock rig so much trouble. It's the ultimate before and after showdown between box stock and battle ready. On the speed bump, this rig struggles, one of the few that really does. It's not a speed bump, it's a Range Rover trap. Thanks to the Injora motor torque, the modded rig powers right over it. On the cliff, that's where the real difference shows between stock and modded. The upgraded rig climbs with ease, better grip, more weight down low, and smoother suspension. You can see it. The modded one just flows over, while the stock rig struggles to find traction and balance its weight.
We tore it down bolt by bolt. Low mount stuck like a stubborn colt. Clearance gone, the gearbox low. Now new motor starts to glow.
And on the steep side of the drop edge, yeah, that's mission impossible. Only 2 or 3 of my rigs have ever made it through. This is the triple summit. 3 hills, 3 faces. Both rigs climb it fine, but the modded one moves smoother, more balanced, and more scale. At the Wall of Judgment, there are only 2 ways through. A smooth crawl if your clearance allows it, or a power climb if you've got the torque to back it up. The stock one, it's got neither, no clearance, no torque. But the modded rig makes it up, all thanks to that Injora motor power. Torque wins every time.
Solid drive, no slip, no pain. Power flows through every chain. Solid drive, no slip, no pain. Power flows through every chain.
On the other side of the Wall of Judgment, there's only one way up. Pure power. You need perfect balance and weight distribution, and just the right throttle, not too much, not too little, to swing the rig forward and climb with momentum. The upgraded one nails it. The stock rig flips every time.
Shiny shafts of stainless steel. Smooth rotation, perfect feel. Injora strength beneath the frame. Crawling steady, never the same.
Through the canyon run, the stock one makes it through, but the modded one conquers it.
tight. Keep the dust and mud from sight. Screws and bolts all back in line. Chassis gleams, it's looking fine. Roof rack loaded, straps in place. Camel spirit in its face. Under the lights, the details glow. Ready for the Savannah show.
This one's the twister line. Earlier in the video from the other side, the stock rig just couldn't make it. It kept catching on the bumps. But from this side, both rigs get through. Still, the modded one does it smoother. More grounded, more scale, just more real. And that's it for today's test. The Range Rover Camel Trophy definitely earned some respect after this run. More power, more style, more madness. See you on the next trail. Subscribe, like, and ring that bell. See you in the next one.